In this video, I'm going to show you how to build this 4-foot wide planter box by 6 feet tall with a privacy screen made entirely out of cedar fence pickets. And for those that are interested, I have the build plans available. The link is going to be in the video description. We're going to start by cutting our pickets down to size. We're going to need 6 pieces at 48 inches long by 5.5 inches wide, which will be the long sides. And we're going to need 6 pieces at 16 inches long by 5.5 inches wide, which will be the short sides. And then we'll need 8 more pieces at 16 inches long by 5.5 inches wide, which will be the floor. And the back legs are going to be part of the slat support, so those are going to be 72 inches long by 3 inches wide. And the front legs are just going to be the 17.5 inches that I normally use. So for the legs, I just cut them at 3 inches wide, and then I use the other half there, which is about 2.25, 2.5, to make the L pieces. And these here are the long legs. They're going to be 3 inches wide. I'm going to start gluing up our L's like we do for all my planter boxes. These are the front legs that are 17.5 inches long. I'm using Titebond 3 and 1-inch brad nails to hold this all together. And then for the back legs, we're going to have a 17.5 inch piece. That's 2.5 inches long, or 2.5 inches wide, sorry. And then the long one's 72 inches long by 3 inches wide. We're going to make 2 of these, and they're going to be mirror images of each other. Then we'll start with the back legs, and we'll add our 48-inch slats to that. And we're just using that wood glue and brad nails. This can be done with screws. If you'd like to use screws, I've done it both ways. Once we got that side done, we're going to do the other side with the front legs. 3 more slats, 48 inches long, glued and nailed in place. And if you're using screws, I like to use 1-inch deck screws. I can get them from Lowe's. They work pretty well. If you got some pickets that are pretty bowed, it'll flatten them out. Now to put the box together, I'm going to add glue to the edges there and add these 3 16-inch pieces. There's going to be 3 on each side. And again with the glue and the brad nails. I like bringing my builds outside. I have a pretty small shop that I work in, so when I have something big like this, it's 6 foot tall, it's a lot easier just to bring it outside to finish it. And now we're going to add the other side to complete the box. And now for the floor trim, these are some pieces I ripped. I believe they're 47.5, 1.5 inches wide. Just going to glue those and then use the brad nails to hold them in place. This is what the floor is going to rest on. Those 8 pieces at 16 inches long by 5.5 wide. That's what I'm dropping in here. You might have one piece that's like 2 inches to fill in a gap, 2 inches wide. Or you can just space them apart if you like. Doesn't really matter. If you're going to line it, you can just go with the 8 pieces. If you're going to fill it with soil, you might want to fill in that gap. Now I'm adding these 3 slat supports. I'm going to put those 9.5 inches apart, each one of them. And they are 72 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide. That 9.5 measures out perfectly between all of the slats and the back legs. Now I'm going to put the top trim on before I put the back slats on, because that first back slat is going to rest on top of that trim. Now you've mitered these. You can square them up if you like. And now for the slats, there's going to be 17 of these, 2.5 inches wide, 3/4 inch apart. Now I'm just using a 1x2 as a spacer here, if you can see it. that 1x2 is 3/4 of an inch thick, so it's a perfect spacer. I just wish it was a little longer. It would have worked better. But it worked just fine. I really enjoy building these. These are a pretty good seller. It's always a hot commodity. These big planters with the big screen on the back. You can use it as a privacy screen or just like a lattice for your plants to grow up. Doesn't really matter. It's just a nice looking planter. And it's pretty affordable to build, just using cedar pickets. I believe I've maybe used 15 at most. So less than $50 to build this planter box. And if you were to sell it, you could probably sell it for at least $200, I would think. Depending on your area, of course. I'm gonna bring those slats all the way up to the top, all 17 of them. And just like that, we have our privacy fence on our 4-foot wide planter box. Pretty simple build. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.